Let me show you how to make this soft banana cake fluffy, moist, delicious, and rich all at the same time. Hi guys, if you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. Can you see how rich and fluffy it looks like? If you don't want to miss, just watch this video as I take you through the step by step on how to get this. And these are everything I used: 4 ripe bananas, soft flour. Don't worry, I will leave all the measurements down below. 1 large egg, evaporated milk, sugar, peanuts, chocolate chips, baking powder, baking soda, salt to taste, vanilla essence, and then margarine or butter, which I forgot to add it here. So in a large bowl, I will go in with my ripe bananas and I will use my fork to mash it. You can use your stand mixer or handheld mixer any way you want it, or even a blender. So I will use the fork and do it till I get this consistency, which is okay by me. And I am going with the next process. I will add the egg, go in with the evaporated milk. So here I should have added the melted butter, but I forgot. I added my vanilla, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt to taste, and then I will give it a good mix till everything is well mixed here. So at this point, my wet ingredient is okay now, and I am going in with the flour. And for the flour, I will not add it at once. I will be adding it in bits to see the consistency if I will be okay with it. And if you want to try this recipe, just try using my exact measurements, which I will leave down in the description box. Okay, don't add and don't skip anything. Okay, so I will be adding it bit by bit till I get my uniform consistency. So here everything is coming together nicely here. And guys, please, if you're still watching this video to this end and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you forget. Okay, and don't forget to like this video and share this video so other people can also try this recipe and they would love it. So I will keep on whisking it till it is well mixed. And next, I am going to add chocolate chips and peanuts as my toppings. And here you can use anything you want as your toppings, okay? And if you use the exact toppings as mine, you just love this cake, okay? So this is where I remembered I forgot to add the butter. So I melted it and I added it here, and I am going to continue mixing till everything is well combined. So next I am going to bring out my loaf pan and I lined it with some parchment paper, but you can just dust it with some flour and you are good to go, or margarine. So I will throw in my butter, and next I am going to hit it on the counter to make sure all the air trapped in this butter are released or is released. So next I am going to top it with the chocolate chips and the peanuts as well. And I am going to bake this for 30 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. But you can be checking it from time to time. And for you to know your cake is ready, just insert some stick or a fork in it, and when it comes out dry, then it means your cake is ready. So after 30 minutes my cake is ready, and this is how my cake came out. If you don't want your cake to be brown, you can just adjust your oven, okay? And this cake was so yummy, guys. This was my first time having banana cake, and I fell in love. And my kids, oh my god, they came asking for more, and I'm gonna do it for them all over again. I mean, over and over again. Thank you guys for watching this video to this very end. I really appreciate you guys for always supporting me here. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. And if you don't try this recipe, any you did do yourself, because you missed it out. It came out so delicious, rich, fluffy. Just name it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.